The EPA Tier 4 compliance is a hot topic in the golf industry. The new Tier 4 diesel emission standards went into effect on January 1, 2013. The Toro Company is leading the way in the implementation of cleaner diesel engine technology that complies with the Environmental Protection Agency's Tier 4 final emission standards, while still meeting superintendents' needs. Matt Uvegas, manager for Toro's Commercial Technical Assistance Center, recently gave a seminar on Tier 4 compliance at the Reinders Green Industry Expo in Waukesha, Wisconsin.
There are different options that a golf course or customers are going to have for Tier 4. First and foremost, the equipment that they have out there right now, they can keep that equipment going. They could go used equipment for a cheaper resolution, but ultimately Tier 4 is here, and it is going to be the wave of the future. The differences in Tier 4 are the efficiencies within the engine and probably some smoother operation and just better overall performance for the engine in general. Tier 4 is going to be more expensive, but there's additional technology that comes along with that, and I think overall it's going to help improve the maintenance requirements on the engine, the long-term life of the engine, and just the better overall performance. And in addition to that, it's running cleaner, so it's better for the environment, it's better for the operator, it's better for the technicians that are working in the shop.
With any new technology comes a learning curve where service is concerned, and the Toro Company has these suggestions for technicians.
The diagnostics of the equipment, we have to use our electronics, our information center, our mini info center to be able to communicate those problems, and being able to diagnose those are going to take some new skill sets compared to what we've had in the past.
The DPF, or diesel particulate filter, catches particulate matter contained in the exhaust gas. It is essential to Toro's Tier 4 design, and although it is generally self-cleaning, it will require new maintenance procedures.
The DPF is going to have to be maintained, which is something that we haven't had on equipment before. So throughout its lifetime, it's going to go through regeneration cycles that are going to be pretty much unknown to the operator, but eventually it's going to reach a point where our ash and our material within the DPF are going to have to be serviced. It's going to have to be removed and cleaned or exchanged.
The passive, assist, and reset regeneration modes are transparent to the operator. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, will constantly monitor the operation of the product and take the necessary steps to maintain optimal performance without operator input.
The regeneration process is going to be very low effort for the operator for the most part. It's going to go through its regeneration process either through an assist or through a reset generation, which an indicator will come on the information center, and the operator doesn't have to do anything. They can shut the engine down if they need to, they can start it back up. So for our normal passive and reset and assist regeneration, it's very, very easy.
If the ECU senses that the diesel particulate filter is no longer being sufficiently cleaned through the passive regeneration modes, it will request a stationary regeneration.
It's going to tell the operator through the information center, the info center on there, that, all right, it's time to go park this thing and let's go burn this thing out.
The Toro Company has technical support resources already in place to answer questions customers may have about this new engine technology.
Toro will provide all of the parts. We will have those in our parts listing on our gateway page that the customers can order those parts right through Toro. Parts in the equipment will be warranted right through Toro, so they don't have to go to a Yanmar facility or a Kubota facility to get those components repaired. The distributor technicians will be trained. We have online training, and we'll have hands-on training for our distributor technicians to be proficient and to be able to repair these types of problems that will occur. This has been very intentional for Toro, and this has been very important to us. We wanted to be the leaders in our products being Tier 4 compliant, and we wanted to have the majority of our equipment ready for Tier 4 and ready to go. Emissions are an important part of life to all of us, and having a clean environment, having a healthy environment for our family and our kids to play in is very important to Toro.